Okay, Mickey, just explain the task that you've been given and how you would use that in order to plan your answer.
Basically, we've been asked to evaluate some vehicles from older days and today, using comparing words to compare different ones and evaluate how they're better or worse. So Miss said that we can use this to help, which is a mat. So because we're comparing, we would use the comparing box and pick some of the words so it would help the writing, and also the evaluating, because it's an evaluate task. So as we're writing the piece of work, we'd use some of these words in order to progress in the writing.
So what's the difference between evaluating and comparing?
Well, evaluating is when you look at the good points of something and the bad points and then come to a conclusion about the uses of something. But then comparing is where you look at the similarities or differences of a couple of different things.
So what kind of word would be a giveaway that you were evaluating? I'd know you were evaluating because you used what sort of words?
Well, it'd be sort of the ones on here, like however, on the other hand, and then obviously for the conclusion at the end, sort of overall in conclusion, to sum up.
Excellent. Okay, well, I don't want to hold science back by taking up too much of your time, but could you just explain a little bit about some of the marking that you've got here? So what does this tell you?
Well, this piece was after the test that we did on the last unit of work, which after we finish, we look at the marks, and this helps us. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the questions, and then the marks we have for that question you put on here. So say I got 6 marks for the question 1, I'd put a G in there for green, so I was good at that question. But say on this question, I wasn't as good as that at that, so I probably got 2 or 3 marks for that. So that would be amber, which then we have a wish on, which was here because we had 2 stars for what we did well, and then a wish was describe rusting and what affects the rate of the reaction, which Miss asked us to do for, say, the people that got question 5 not as good as the rest, which I then do after to develop my knowledge of that piece of
work.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.